Lady Leshurr's replacement on BBC One Extra has been announced as she awaits trial after being accused of attacking her ex-girlfriend. The Dancing on Ice star, 35, real name Leshurr Ogaro, was accused of assaulting her ex-girlfriend Sydney Hussein and Ms. Hussein's partner, Shot Boye, on October 22. She has been off-air from her Saturday afternoon radio slot since she was charged last October. And now, her replacement for the 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. slot has been revealed as TV presenter and radio DJ Joella Noble. She is an experienced broadcaster and presenter and was the official host for Lionesses Live on England's official YouTube channel last year. She will also be co-hosting One Extra's Throwback Party with Kiki, where listeners will get to listen to classic hip-hop and R&B songs. Lady Leshurr's replacement news comes after she was charged with 2 counts of assault occasioning actual bodily harm. She denies the charges. In November, Cheryl Smith, 28, from Yardley, Birmingham, appeared in court alongside Ogaro and pleaded not guilty to 1 count of assault occasioning actual bodily harm on Sydney Hussein, in relation to the same incident. A trial date was set for October 16, 2023, by Judge English. They are both on conditional bail and were ordered not to contact the alleged victims, and not to enter the borough of Waltham Forest, save for court hearings, as part of the conditions. Ogaro, from Kingshurst, Birmingham, appeared in last year's Dancing on Ice, making it to the semi-final. The Don't Hate the Players team captain was awarded the British Empire Medal, BEM, in the 2020 birthday honours for her services to music and charity. When she first got charged, a Met Police spokesperson told the Mirror, 2 women have been charged with assault in Leighton. Leshurr Ogaro, 34, December 15, 1987, was charged with 2 counts of ABH at Notts Green Road, Eton on Saturday 22 October. Cheryl Smith, 28, July 23, 1994, was charged with 1 count of ABH at Notts Green Road, Eton on Saturday 22 October. Both will appear in custody at Thames Magistrates Court on Monday 24 October. The 2 women were charged after police were called at 05:08 hours on Saturday 22 October to Notts Green Mews, Eton following reports of a fight at the location. 2 women, both aged 27, were taken to hospital. They have since been discharged. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.